Hey, it's ODB, the Lincoln Addict, doing a quick video, talk about rear view mirrors on 6465. I'm here at Tony Boss Boland's place, Death Row Lincolns. He's been working on his red 65 Sun, the sedan. I've been driving the red 65 Convertible. I just sat this thing down here, and again, I want to show you the difference between, this was a repop. I don't know if you could still buy these, but I'll talk about the adjustment for those that don't know. 64, 65, same rear view mirror. Earlier year Lincolns, they come down from the headliner area, but you're gonna see something here, and I'll go on the inside as well. It's an original mirror, and you basically have a screw on each side. The difference in the repop is you do not have that screw on each side. It's kind of a newer style, I guess you can kind of call it. It looks the same. It's got the day to night, which is super cool. Okay, I'm gonna show you mine in a minute. It's got the same pattern on the back, which I'll get a better angle here in a minute. But you see this piece right here, the stalk or whatever you wanna call it. There is not a screw on the right or left side. Now looking here, I'm gonna show you. Right there's one, and then the other side has it a little bit further up. And the thing is, if you own a Lincoln, or you've ever driven in one or ridden in one, a lot of times in my mirror would just it would keep falling, and it wouldn't want to stay in a particular place, and it was very annoying. And it's pretty simple. You basically just need to have, it's easiest to have two people. You have a person with a screwdriver on this side, Tony and I just did it, and a screwdriver on this side, and you can tighten it at the same time. And then this thing, what I did is I sat in the car, see my Lincoln Addict hat, and I had it about where I wanted it, and then we tightened it with two, not even a snubby one, just a regular long screwdriver. I put them up, and you do it kind of at the same time, and what it does is it will tighten that down. Now the reason for this is, if we look up here, you'll see it's split down the middle. It's a two-piece, and you can see on this side where the screw is more towards the front. So you basically get someone on the right, there's someone on the left, driver, passenger side, and what you do is you tighten it at the same time. And once you tighten it down, it'll press that together onto the piece, and the rear view mirror will not move. Now, what I would suggest that you do is, again, sit in the seat and adjust it to about where you want it before you tighten both screws, and upon doing that, you'll be good to go. So there you have it, a little bit of tech, if you will, very basic. Again, I don't know if you can still buy these. I know there were a couple places. I think I talked to John Cashman recently, and probably Lincoln Land has these. But I know Cashman always stocked these when he was doing his service. And the big difference is, like I showed you, this is not a two-piece. It's just all put together there on the ball, and there's not a screw on each side. So it's a little bit easier, but if you have an original one, that's how you tighten it. Stay on the rise, everyone.